In this video, we will learn how to extract unique records of one column in Excel sheet. So let's start this in my Excel sheet. I have here some products data in, you can see here the category products and quantity sold. And I want to extract unique data only of one column only. So just go to the data tab, click on the advanced. Here select the range of your column. So I want to extract the unique records from this column, therefore I select this column. Okay, then click on the copy to the another location, click on the unique records only. In copy to where you want to the unique records from this column, so I just select the range of column cell, sorry, just click on OK. That's it. Here you can see from this column unique data records is extracted here, but you can see here the official essential is 2 times C. So I think the your column is not proper selected. Just click on the again advanced. Here you can see the column heading is not selected. So I select again this full column heading with data and click on the unique records, click on the copy data and click on the where you want the records and select the cell and click on OK. Now see is a proper unique data is extracted. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.